Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, I'm going to be creating this look here for you guys. I went ahead and digged into my little vault of old palettes that I haven't used in a long time, and I pulled out the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. This one is the Dark Magic one. It's the one that has like the blues and greens in it. So I went ahead and used this palette, and of course, you know, I had to throw on some glitter. Glitter makes everything bomb. So if you guys want to see how I created this look here, then please stay tuned and keep on watching. But beforehand, please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And comment down below, let me know any type of looks that you guys want to see me create. I'll go ahead and do those for you guys. And make sure you guys are following me on all my other social media platforms and all that good stuff. And yes, and this look looks amazing, especially with my short cut. Yes! Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright you guys, so let's start with this tutorial. So you guys are going to see, I start off with brows first as always, and I use the ABH Dip Brow in dark brown. And at first I wanted to kind of try a fluffy type of brow, like draw like hair strokes or whatever. But yeah, I haven't mastered that yet, especially since I like chopped off half of my brow. So you guys are gonna see I just kind of opt out and went in with a straight brow, which you guys will see in a little bit or whatever. And then I also did use the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow in 4.5 to set the brows in its place and also give it a little bit more dimension. Alright, so my do-rag was super duper tight. It's actually my brother's do-rag. I never like untie the knot. So when I put it on my head, it was super tight. And the only reason I had it on was pretty much just to lay my hair flat because I just had cut it. If you guys haven't seen my video, I did a me cutting my hair off video, so definitely check that out. Yeah, I chopped off my hair, you guys. So I just had that do-rag on just to kind of lay it down, because it was like freshly cut and everything, and my hair acts really weird when it's freshly cut. So I prepped the lids with the P. Louise base in Rumor 2, and then once I have my lids prepped and everything, you guys are seeing me pretty much go in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brushes collaboration. This is one of the Vault palettes in Dark Magic, and the like shadow portion is pretty much simple. You guys see me do my technique all the time. I start off with the dark shade first, the dark green shade in the palette first, and I pretty much tap the shadow how I wanted the shape to be, and then once I had the pigment how I wanted and the shape, I started to slowly and softly blend out the edges, preparing the next shade pretty much, which was that olive green shade. That shade is I love that olive green shade. I think all over the eye it's just absolutely stunning and beautiful. So I went ahead and I applied that, and then I started to go ahead and blend it out a bit. But before I went ahead and blended it out as high as I wanted it to be, you guys are going to see that I'm going to go in with the bone shade in the palette just to set the brow bone area, and also to make a smoother transition area for the olive green to pretty much blend into. And then I do a lot of going back and forth with the shades just to make sure I have the pigmentation how I want it to be, as well as the blendability. And then for brushes, I'm using my Morphe M506 and M507 to blend out these shades. So I wanted to add a little bit more definition into the crease, so I went in with the black shade in the palette, and then I used a really small thin blending brush. I believe this one is from Morphe as well. I just don't remember the name, the number. But I just pretty much went ahead and added that into the crease to deepen it a lot more. And I cut my crease off camera. You guys are gonna see in the next clip. Cut my crease off camera, and then after I cut my crease, I went ahead and just added that bone shade onto the lid. So for glitter, I'm going to be using glitter from Glow Up Academy in the shade Mossy. And I use ABH glitter adhesive. It's become my all-time fave. Now, this glitter you can't really see. Yes. So with this lighting, you can't really see the shade of the glitter, but it is like a beautiful, beautiful mint green shade, and I just thought it was absolutely stunning with this palette, so that's what I use. And then I did like little rhinestones or whatever off camera. I don't know, I just love the little accent of the little rhinestones. I think I'm gonna start doing it more. But now I'm pretty much gonna do my base. And for base, I had used the Touch and Soul No Poreblem primer, and then you guys saw I went ahead and used the ColourPop and No Filter foundation in the shade Medium 90, which is also known as M90. Then for concealer, I used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand, and then you guys are also going to see me cream contour, and for cream contour I use the Fenty Beauty matchstick in mocha. Yeah, in mocha. And then I'm going to blend all that out. So once we have our creams blended out to how we like it, I'm going in with the ABH powder and banana, and I'm pretty much just pressing that into the skin and everything. I put it over my forehead, a little bit over my brows because I have oily brows, and then I'm gonna go in with bronzer and blush after. So they're my next steps. So I'm using Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Island Ting, and then your guys are gonna see me go in with blush, and the blush is from the Patrick Star and MAC collaboration. This is, I believe, the Floral Spring collection, and the blush name is I'm Not Blushing. So next is highlight. You guys know I need to highlight. So I went in with Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder in the shade Sophia.
is a beautiful, beautiful, like champagne color. Oh, absolutely stunning. And you guys already know I am an affiliate with Gerard Cosmetics, and I do have a code with them. It's rosevmua, and you get 30% off on anything on the website that is pretty much not on sale. So any sale items and bundles, you won't be able to get the discount on, but everything else that is full price, you'll be able to get a discount on. So for lashes are from Lily Lashes, and they are in the style Atlanta, I believe. Let me check. Yes, Atlanta. That's the style. I had a little bit of trouble with the lashes, but these are actually one of my faves from Lily Lashes. And then I'm gonna transition into lips. Lips, I use Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Nude. Sorry, my son is choking. And then I also use a gloss. The gloss is from Preta Bella, and the gloss name is Playtime. And that's pretty much the look, you guys. And I hope you guys really enjoy it. I have a lot more tutorials on its way, along with reviews. And so yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up and follow me on all of my other socials. And I'll see you guys in the next one.